G'day avocado enthusiasts, and welcome back to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree. And for the last few weeks, many of us all over the world have been starting our part in the International Avocado Experiment. Thank you everybody who has already started and has been posting their images, sharing their experiences on Instagram. It's been wonderful to engage as an international community of avocado enthusiasts. Now, we are approaching the deadline to start our experiments. If you haven't watched any of my other videos on the subject, I wanted to know what the best way to start an avocado seed with the water and toothpick method was. Was it by peeling the skin or without peeling the skin? Is there a difference? Some studies suggest that there is, so I wanted to contribute to the wider scientific understanding by running this experiment again. The more experiments we can run, the better results we get. So we are running this experiment in 2020 and we're doing it all over the world. The more data that we can collect, the better our results, the more accurate they're going to be. And so many people all over the world have started this experiment. They're running their own little experiment and then we're going to collect and gather the data once we're finished. So they have taken one seed, peeled it, taken another seed, not peeled it. They have started it in the water and toothpick method, so in a jar or a glass of water with toothpicks, or without toothpicks if you've got a vessel that can do that. And they've recorded the date that they started each of the seeds. And once the seed has grown a shoot, they record that as the germination date. Then once the experiment is finished, so either once both seeds have started shooting, or December 17, which is the cutoff date, we've decided that that's the end of our experiment. That gives us enough time so that we should see some results. We will go to scottgrowsanavocadotree.com where there is a form to fill out which will ask you for what country you're in, the dates that you started, and the dates that you saw a shoot, if you saw a shoot. You'll also have the option to submit any videos which you took across this journey, because I'll be making a video at the end of it. Now we want to give ourselves at least 2 months. So October 17 is 2 months before the end date of our experiment. So we've got a few days, if you're watching this video shortly after it came out, to get started if you haven't already. Or if you want to set up a secondary experiment in your own home, which is possible as well. You'll just fill out the form twice. And remember, feel free to post any pictures on Instagram using the hashtag InternationalAvocadoExperiment. I've really enjoyed seeing everybody's avocado seeds, their experiments. It's been fantastic to do this together as an international community of avocado enthusiasts. So go, have fun, and contribute to our scientific understanding. Thank you very much for watching this video. Let me know how you're going in the comments below. Subscribe to Scott Grows an Avocado Tree Sods to make sure that you don't miss any future avocado updates. Thanks once again for watching, and we'll see you next time.
Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree. Scott grows an avocado tree.